Give the table a little jiggle. Gets it nice and flat and leveled right to the top edge of that. We're trying to keep them really consistent on the thickness, so when I go to trim them up and we go to install them, that they're really pretty much kind of all the same size and thickness, and makes it easier to work with on the other parts of the install. All right, we're back shortly, show you guys how that dries up and how we pull those out. So the project was more structural, and it turned into us having to actually install that new beam that runs through the whole soffit all the way around, and to install these jack posts inside the original columns without removing any of the integrity of the original look of the home. We were able to really make it all happen. We got the beams up in there, got our jack post in place, everything fits up nicely. Really worked out really well. Between the engineer, Mike Mack, and myself, we really made this happen. And we've actually structured it to where a panel goes back in, trim goes back on, and you will not be able to see where any of the panels were removed. We're going to be putting everything back to its original state. So here it is in the curing process. We're waiting for it to cure up. It gets hotter than heck. And it's kind of interesting how that product works and how fast it gets hot. And really works really well. And our client, Rob, was gracious enough to let us borrow his basement to actually make all our parts. And it being 101, 102 degrees outside, it's been really nice being able to work down here. So we thank you, Rob, and we thank you, Mike, for letting us do this. Okay, hey, I'm going to show you what we've been going on over here and coming in and get a few marks on this that I need to put on it to be able to align it correctly on the table saw and make that happen. So, show you what's up, what we've been doing on this. We're taking them, put them on the table saw. It's been a little kind of a difficult process, but we're making it happen for what we got to work with here. Mask.